Okay, guess who it is? That's right, Dustin, your RV specialist. Hey, so I'm looking at a Grand Design Solitude and you're going, damn it, why are you doing so many Solitudes and so many Grand Designs? Because we have a bunch of dealers around us that are selling them, right? And they're beautiful coaches and they're good coaches, right? And so anyways, let's talk about some maintenance. This unit is a 2021 build. It was sold probably somewhere close to 22, so I'm assuming it's a 22. We want to talk about the screw cover. His screw cover is all coming loose. All the screws are backing out. We can see the indentations right here. I don't know if you can see that or not. We want to talk about the insert moldings. So people are always saying, oh, Dustin, right? So insert moldings. This is the insert molding, and it has shrunken, just like all plastics do. They shrink, they go bad, they dry out. Typically, they'll pull out from right here. This one didn't pull out because it was, silicone in place, which the silicone's bad. And when it shrunk, now we can see no screw, right? But we can see how it shrunk up. So, wherever the water can get in, it's gonna get in, and it can travel clear up from the roof when it's condensating and sweating in the mornings, and that piece up there's let loose, and that piece up there's let loose, and that piece up there's let loose. And as the water runs down this track, it gets trapped and goes into this side and screws it all up. There's also no drain hole here. So you see a lot of times we're drilling drain holes, and even the manufacturer's drilling drain holes. Needs to be a drain hole added here to let any water that gets in here to drain out. Now, when this shrunk up, the tattletale is, if you can tap it and you can hear that it's loose, hey, that's not deflecting, because these little bitty wingspans that are here aren't holding tight in that rail, which is allowing water to get in there. So is it completely 100% waterproof? Because some people beat me up and go, oh, it's not made to keep the water out. Sure it is. It acts like an umbrella. If water hits it, it's gonna block about 95% of it. If you go up there and soak it, or you go up there and pressure wash it, hell yeah, you're gonna get water in there. So, again, it's a deflectant. It's like an umbrella out in the storm. If it's storming, take your umbrella and go inside, right? But it's made to deflect the water. So what I want to talk about is, here's some rust, and here's some rust. Now, I have not pulled this down, but I'm going to pull it down. And sure enough, look at all the dirt and stuff that's been getting in here, right? And so wherever that rust is coming from, it could be coming out through the holes, or it also could be coming from the top of the roof running down. So this insert molding, as you can see, I'm putting it back in one-handed, right? It just pops in place and has a little ridge. So if it's shrunk up where it gets hard and brittle, right? Again, you can tap on it, and if you hear that it's loose, guess what? It's not tight and it's shrinking. So it shrinks both sideways and it shrinks both lengthwise. And so when that happens, not only down here, so if you're watching this and you have a travel trailer, you need to really seriously check all your roof lines, because you'll go see, we got, 16, 18 videos on insert moldings, and there's a bunch more out there, but all on the roof line, it's up there, and it allows the water and the dirt and stuff especially to collect, because it's the edge of the roof. So when it's sweating and condensating and raining, it's just pouring and caking in there. So make sure you're checking the awnings if they have it on there. Make sure checking the roof lines. Go in there, and if the screws are loose, you can tighten them. You can add different ones. You can yank them all out. You can put stainless in there. You can put trifold rivets in there. You can do all kinds of stuff. You can pull it off, seal them all up without the screw in it, put the screw back in. You could seal up over the top of the screw. I mean, there's 10 different ways to do it, but main thing is keep it clean, keep it checked, tighten it up, change the insert moldings. So, all right, well, hey, I'm gonna let you go. It is Wednesday, a couple days before Halloween, and I'm gonna quit nagging at you all, but this stuff's dirt cheap, folks. Go online and get it in multiple colors. They don't have a lot of the tans and beiges and stuff like that from some of the other, like the older Solitude over there. That's a special order color. That's a special color. That's a special color. So they got the white and black. So if you have white and black, super simple. Go online, Amazon. We got it in the links. We got a bunch of folders built for you in the Amazon affiliate thing. And there's 3 different sizes. There's a standard. There's, well, basically, there's a thin, a standard, and a heavy duty. Buy the heavy duty. It's harder to put it in, but it lasts longer and it sets in there a little bit tighter, right? So the thin stuff's nice and easy to flop in there, but that's the ones where you're seeing shrink up so quick, or flopping and hanging out, or people are pulling over and cutting them off and throwing them on the side of the road and all that kind of fun stuff. So, all right, well, hey, you guys have a great one. Hope this video is helping you. Make sure you go and visit our Grand Design RV Owners in the RV Shop with Dustin. We talk again about a lot of maintenance and repairs. Everybody else is welcome to share anything they want. You know, your posts, your videos, things that you're working on, upgrades and so on. Make sure you see our photo albums, because we got, I don't know, I think 360 photo albums in there. You know, and then that's all there available. There's documents in there. There's all kinds of stuff in there. So if you're fixing it yourself, as the time goes, you know, I'm here at the shop, and I'm usually here, I don't know, 50 to 70 hours a week, roughly. Plus I got a new baby and I got 2 dogs and a wife who work here as well. And so when we're not here, we're either at home early in the mornings, doing social media stuff before I leave to head to work, seeing what everybody's asked questions on or comments on or sent me messengers. And then same thing when we get home. Go home, kick the dogs in the door, let the baby down, get dinner going, eat, get all that stuff situated, and then I'm back on social media again. So, you know, and then usually typically weekends, if I'm not doing something around the house or something around the business or down here working on a unit, back on that social media, right? So I do it for fun. I do it to leave memories for my kids, my grandkids, and help customers. And then of course, yeah, it brings us business, right? So social media is a great tool. You know, we're going to have all this stuff to look back on in years to come, and different videos that we've done and talked about, and articles that we've written, and Facebook posts that we've posted. All that stuff's available there. So if there's something you haven't seen, go back through and dig through it. I think I've been doing the social media side of it for at least a good 10 years now. So you can find almost anything. Make sure you use that little search field on any of our Facebook groups, whether it's my personal one, whether it's the business one, whether it's any of the manufacturer groups, and just type in keywords, you know, slide out, you know, awning, jacks, pin box, whatever it is, and something's bound to pop up. So whether it be something that we're selling, something that we're repairing, or something that we hashtag too. So make sure you check out with the hashtags as well. Okay, well, you guys have a great day. And as you can tell, solitude, reflection, solitude, reflection, solitude. There's another one over there. There's another reflection. There's another solitude. There's another solitude. You know, and then we get a lot of big Class A motorhomes in here, and a lot of little C's and stuff like that too. So, all right, well, we will talk to you soon. You guys have a great one. Thanks so much for watching.